Welcome to Think Money with Benny. Here on the channel, we talk about dividend growth and Hello? Yo, what's going on, bro? What you up to? Nothing much. Just home working on a YouTube video right now. I finally got my first YouTube paycheck this week. Alright, that's dope. Congrats. Yeah, I hit the like button. I left a comment on your last video for the algorithm. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. What you up to, though? Man, this quarantine driving me crazy. I haven't clapped cheeks for 3 weeks already. Once this thing's over, you taking that YouTube money, I'm gonna take my stimulus package check, and we hitting up the club. Bottle service with like 10 girls. Nah, man, I already invested my YouTube paycheck into my dividend portfolio this week. You did what, bro? What are you even talking about right now? Are you serious? Yeah, if you buy stocks right now, you're gonna get a better yield on cost. Imagine all the gains you could get in the future. Hello? Hello? Welcome to Think Money with Benny. Here on the channel, we talk about personal finance, building passive income, and dividend growth investing in the stock market. Today, I'm going to show you my first YouTube paycheck as a channel with 1,370 subscribers. Now, this wasn't an actual paycheck. This is just the Google AdSense document in order to link your accounts. I'll talk about how I got started, what I did with the money, and perhaps inspire you to create your own channel as well. We all know times are crazy right now, but we can all use this moment to be productive and think of other ways to build income. When I made my first video, I didn't necessarily think about making money. I did it for fun, to experiment, and perhaps learn a new skill. This was back in 2016. I remember binging on Netflix, binging on YouTube all the time. I was consuming content instead of creating, watching my favorite TV shows like The Walking Dead, Game of Thrones, and then I'd hop on over to YouTube afterwards and search up reaction videos to episodes I just finished watching. After a while, I thought, hey, maybe I should make my own videos, voice my opinions, and talk about things from my perspective. So I went for it. I took my iPhone, I placed it on a stack of books, and pressed record. I had no equipment, I had zero editing skills, and I didn't care what people would think. So the first key takeaway here is simply just starting. If you don't start, you'll never see any progress. If you need help coming up with ideas, think about creating content that you yourself would want to watch. I remember showing videos to family members and getting a good response. And that was nice because it motivated me to continue. After a few videos, I realized creating content and staying consistent was not so easy. So I got discouraged and stopped making videos. Fast forward now to the following year, 2017. I wanted my first car. To help me decide which car to get, I spent months watching car review videos on YouTube. When I finally got the car, I was inspired to start making videos again about my new vehicle. This time, I wanted to do a better job with my videos, and I researched how to make better videos on YouTube. I came across Sean, who I consider a mentor. His videos and advice helped me get my channel up and running. There are plenty of channels that you can learn from. Think Media, Video Influencers, The Content Bug, I really like her. You can also find support in the YouTube community within your niche. You'll start noticing other channels that are similar to yours. So don't be afraid to reach out and make connections. You'll get to interact with like-minded people interested in the same things that you are. Shout out to Travis Williams, Gen X Dividend Investor, Ken and Grace. These are all up-and-coming channels in the financial space just like mine. Check them out if you're interested in financial content and investing. So not only are you learning from each other, you're also supporting one another as you grow on YouTube. So the second key takeaway here is finding your support group, family, friends, or finding a mentor that can help guide you. Not everyone is going to support you, but that's all right. You just got to find those who will. So let's hop into the screen right now and take a look at the 7 videos that I made in 2017. This is the first video I made down here, just showing off the car, giving my review, thoughts and opinions on it. This is the second video I made, third, fourth, and this video right here is pretty special because this is the one that blew up. This is the one that has over 400,000 views and it's constantly getting views day in and day out. It's producing the majority of my ad revenue right now. And I just want to thank Sean Cannell over at Think Media for that. He really helped me to set up my channel in a way that the SEO works. You can search it up on Google and you'll find that video. So what do I mean by that? So let's say you were interested in blacking out your car emblems, and you go over to Google and search black out car emblems, and my video would be the first one to pop up. That is the reason it's getting so many views. People want to go and research that, and they can just go hop in and check that video out. Okay, so finding time to make videos during that period was hard. I was about to become a dad, which, by the way, I want to thank my fiance for supporting me, allowing me to find time to create, also taking care of our lovely daughter. Love you, babe. Mwah. On top of that, I had a cheap $300 Windows laptop, which made video editing almost impossible. By the 7th video, it just gave up on me and I became discouraged. I stopped creating videos yet again. However, over the coming weeks and months, I noticed I'd get 1 subscriber here, 2 subscribers there. About 18 months later, I was coming up close to meeting 1,000 subscribers. So I just needed a few more to get monetized. The other requirement of 4,000 hours of watch time, I had well over 10,000 hours already, crushing that goal. Once I saw I was only missing a few more subscribers to reach 1,000, in December of 2019, just 4 months ago, I made a choice to take YouTube serious. So the third key takeaway here is to just be patient. Don't expect to see results overnight, because you won't. Make sure you continue to put in the quality work with what you have. You don't have to go out and buy fancy equipment when you start out. After getting the email from YouTube letting me know that I reached 1,000 subscribers, I decided to take YouTube to the next level. I made an investment and purchased my new 16-inch MacBook Pro, which I have here, for video editing. And I can tell you right now that the thing is an absolute beast. I love this laptop because the editing is just so smooth. If you want to check it out, the Amazon link is posted down in the description. I also purchased other equipment like this Canon M50 camera, which I'm recording on right now, this Shure MV51 mic, as well as the lighting studio and other accessories. Everything in total came out to be a little over $3,000. Now, being that I'm running a YouTube channel, it's technically a business. You invest money to make money. I was able to write off those expenses as a sole proprietor using the Schedule C form. So I did receive a nice refund on my 2019 tax return. Keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor, and you should speak to your tax advisor regarding this topic. I'm just simply sharing my experience for fun and entertainment purposes only. And shout out to Lucy the accountant for bringing this up to my attention. I honestly would have never thought about it if it wasn't for her. So thank you, Luce. All right, the reason you probably clicked on this video: how much did I get paid for my first YouTube paycheck? I received $201. And to be honest, I'm very happy and pleased with what I'm seeing so far. So let's hop into the channel analytics, YouTube Studio. We have here the analytics dashboard. We're at 38.4K views in the last 28 days, which is pretty good. And let's go over the revenue. For December, I made $4.29, but I had got monetized right at the end of December. I'm sure it was like the last 3 days of December. Then in January, I made 79.40. February made 118. Last month, I made 137th. And for April, we're at $4.40. As I mentioned before, this is the video that's producing the majority of my added revenue. So what did I do with my YouTube money? I went ahead and I invested it into my dividend stock portfolio in my Fidelity account, which, by the way, I'm loving my new brokerage. I made a video about why I left L1 Finance and switched over to Fidelity. You can check that out in the link up top in the corner. So things here on YouTube are looking promising. I'm excited to continue making quality videos that hopefully do add a value to you guys out there. I'm very passionate about investing and creating passive income with dividends, as most of you are as well. Throughout this video, you heard me thanking several people for helping me get to this point. And that's because you're gonna need all the help and resources that you can get. It's very hard to do this all on your own. So just know that as you're adding value to others, others can provide value to you as well. If you have any questions or need help with starting a YouTube channel, be sure to drop a comment and I will get back to you as soon as possible. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.